making a page numbering or applying numbers to your page, and that is always used on a multiple page document. So we have a law here. So you click on insert menu, you come to page numbering, you select the location. Let's use bottom right is okay. You click. Now you can see it's already in A, B, C, D. So you come back here for formatting page numbering. You click format page number. You come up here, page number format. You say 1, 2, 3. So when you scroll up, you could see there are more. So let's go with this. We're okay with this. Continue from previous station, that is 1, 2, 3. So when you want to start from a specific page, you say start at. You tick this one and choose the number, so it will apply. You click OK. Now we have 1. When you scroll down, we have 2, we have 3. So and more. So after that, you click close header and footer. You are good to go. So that is how to apply your page numbering.